finds Mortensen. Has the one he wants. Beltre, line drive, base hit. Andrus around third. There's a throw. It's not in time. And the Rangers walk it off. Adrian Beltre, a walk-off winner. The Rangers win 4-3. Beltre's walk-off single gives the Rangers a sweep of the Red Sox.
Again, it's hard to imagine that you're going to walk someone twice to get to Adrian in the same game and get away with it both times. He got away with it the first time, but not that time. He waited on that pitch. He watched the hitters before him. He watched what Mortensen was throwing. He waited on the off-speed pitch and ripped it into right field for the game winner. And Rangers